Welcome guys. Welcome everyone. Good morning chat. Good evening guys. How you doing? How do you feel today? Great to see you on board. Let's go off. Best targets today. Let's go. Come on guys. Let's get this going relentlessly, hitting the targets, hitting the best numbers. Thank you guys for joining. Are you having a happy time out there for the Tuesday, or it's pretty slow after the markets did corrected? A couple of hundreds of points today on Nasdaq. Hundreds of points of correction. Look at that. Welcome guys. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Let's just do it, guys. We're live. $150,000 and 4 giveaways. Huge money out there. Looking into a lower time frame, our price action is clearly struggling, guys. Clearly struggling today. Yes, I did get my payout from Savius a while ago. It was around 48 hours. 48 hours after requesting. It was the first payout from Savius. Took a little more than usually because it can be less than 48 hours, but we have to be connected on Rise. So till they send me the invitation and all that stuff got completed, about 48 hours. Thank you once again guys for joining. We have a happy moment out here. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. And let me prepare with you the giveaway link. Here's the giveaway link. Let me share with you also in the chat. Right, let me just... There you go. The link is in the chat. The link is in Discord as well.
Order
Two contracts
filled.
long. Opening the first trade. And
Order
I'm out.
filled.
$73.
Order
Another
filled.
contract long. Oh, look at that.
Order filled.
One more. So we doubled up.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. $140 profit.
Order filled.
One more contract long here. And another one.
Order filled.
2 contracts long. Come on, push this a little bit higher. We got that little volatility, guys. I'll finish this trade and then we do the math. I'll finish this trade and then we do the math. 500 points correction today since the opening. Come on. Bring it up, boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
4 contracts long. Market's getting pretty nervous.
Order
I
filled.
sold 2 contracts there. Yep. Let's see after grabbing the low here if we can push the price action back up. Or do we need to test that 725? Otherwise this is gonna nicely dump. Let me show you the reverse golden pocket. Reverse golden pocket sits around the 700s. Incredible. Good evening, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining.
Order filled.
You know, that wick that we just established cannot remain like that. We took the liquidity. Let's see if we get something out of this. Or nothing. Beautiful reaction so far. Partially got denied.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nicely going for a continuation. I'll take myself a temporary loss here. Wow. Poor reaction. So you've left that wick to the top side. We're on the accounts that have a lot of the drawdown, $7,000 drawdown. So no liquidity grab from that wick established. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Yeah. The market is sinking. Just like all the markets, they're sinking, guys. In terms of the crypto also is dying around. Depends what you're trading, but... around the 700s. I don't like this. This is certainly not what I wanted. And we get zero reaction, right? So whatever candle we get to the upside like this, I'm out here, for example. Because there is a risk for the markets to continue into the 700s. So I'm offering a chance here, otherwise I'm gonna cut it. But this has not been a good start with the markets falling off a cliff today. And this is a scenario with all the markets out there. If we look into the BTC, BTC is about to fall off the cliff as well. Look at that one, guys. Breaks below everything. A nightmare. Today, it has been a nightmare. I'll have to cut this one, and I'd like to cut it as soon as we were trading above the 20s. I'm happy to cut my position. Once we're above the 20s, but looks like we're not getting anything near to the 20s. And I might have to cut it around this levels. Our daily loss is at 3,500. And we're so close to the place where the market could actually rebound around the 700s, right? Getting rid of the position when we're so close to a possible powerful level is a hard decision, guys. Yeah, you have to accept your loss sometimes and just walk away. We had some trading on the live account as well. Some losses occurred today too. Especially in the morning, guys. I've been trading in early morning. With the market opening on 26,104. Look at that. We're so far away from that. We had a 450 points dump. Nothing worked for me too long on my live account today. 450 points continuous dump. Yeah. The next 5 minutes should engulf this one, right? So the next 5-minute candlestick should easily engulf this one and close above 717. But let's wait and see. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video and, of course, sign up for the giveaway. This situation here, 717 engulfing. Easily 717 for the engulfing. Come on, guys. I'm happy to cut this position soon. Let's see how hard do we push. Terrible market conditions, I'm telling you. Look at that one. Nothing. It's just sliding. There you go. We're going to get stopped out. Oh my god. Zero reaction, guys, on the 700s. Zero reaction. It's continuing. I'm selling 3 positions here. There's nothing I can do about it. Accepted a partial loss. Zero reaction here. Look at that. And this is how it looks pre-market. Think about it. It's just terrible today for the moment. This might come down to 650s. Had to accept a temporary loss at the worst place possible. A place where you actually want to go for an entry. Look at that. Look at this volatility, guys, that we're having. You just you know, 5, 6, 7 points movement in a second out of the nowhere. This is the place to long, of course, in the golden pocket. 700s is something that you could test basically for such movement. Right? You might get that 725, or you might get around 740s. There's 2 levels that you might get from here. Looking into the top 1 futures as well. Testing
Order
out
filled.
along on my top 1 futures from here. Also on my Ignite accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
We touched the break even here.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to add a contract on my Lucid.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's up, guys? Great to see you. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Time for us to sort of attack a short-term recovery from here. Reversed from the golden pocket, 730s on the reverse. That's a level to consider. But, you know, market's getting pretty dirty.
Order
Getting
filled.
1 more contract here. Fully incapable. Let's see if it holds. Will it hold? We have a temporary Bitcoin reaction, which actually held through the levels. But that might not be the case for the Nasdaq. These are, you know, terrible conditions. I don't like this, honestly. I'm gonna cut. There's nothing I can do about it here. I'm gonna cut.
Order
2
filled.
contracts. I've cut it away. 2 contracts once again. Ho ho. You know, these are the worst places to cut. These are the worst places to cut. But there's no continuation. Bulls are missing their capability of delivering on those. Let's wait if this was a liquidity hunt here, or it's gonna continue to kill us.
Order filled.
Nah. We touched a daily loss here. 5,500, guys. Ooh. That's actually 3 days of targets. Our targets were on 1,800. 5,500. On the Lucid, which we're very, very close to the payout. Terrible price action today. If you look at the daily candle today, it's one of a kind. Even the 4 hours. Is going for that gap. 25,550. This is not going to stop before. Right? We have the 550, not going to stop before, you know. We're not catching anything from the candlesticks, like, you know, doing things like this, right? No, it's just straightforward movement downwards. Let me just reorganize this. Nothing to be done with that. And here you go. Yeah, well, look at that, guys. Today was a risk management mistake. This is how it looks like. Six days that are great, 5 which are fantastic, right? Hitting the targets. But then what happened today? It was just crazy. Connecting the other accounts.
Order rejected.
Yep. You can flip with Lucid. I was up $60, $70. But then the whole thing dumped. And since that, none of my DCAs worked. It was a continuous dump. Because I was very close to the payout, guys. This is, you know, it's a $9,000 payout. But since that very moment, the whole thing just dumped. And it kept dumping. Right? Because we got into here. for the first time. That's where we got into. Here, at the bottom of that long wick. So I thought, usually and normally, you would go and take some more liquidity from the wick. And then you start dumping. If you want to dump. But we're not taking anything from that wick in the next candles. And it was just a continuous non-stop dumping. I'm out here.
Order
I'll take
filled.
that $130. The entry is too high. Happy tears during the duck race. There you go, guys. We got you with the great duck races today. I promise you, it's gonna be amazing. Look at that. For the moment, this level held. Look at that. Oh my god. But look at the volatility, guys. Yep. Not an issue. We're gonna get back to that level. It's a situation that happened.
Order filled.
Come on, get back into that wick.
Order filled. Order filled.
$260.
Order filled.
We're shorting the markets right now.
Order filled.
It's a level that could deliver some decent numbers. We're also going break even pretty quickly once we have the opportunity. We'll take it for the break even side. Break even right there. Come on, take it down.
Order filled.
Break even has been touched. Yep. This might be going for that 730s. You know, if it's crossing this level, it's going for that 730s. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome, everyone. Everything is dying. That's where we are today. Including the crypto space is just absolutely nuts. Do we get this one up to 30s for my short limit order to be filled? You know, I would long this into 690s. Right? Look at that. Look at this 1 minute candlesticks, guys. This is nuts. 690s. And 91 as well. Good morning. Yeah, the accounts got saved. But we took a big loss today. 5 grand. 3 days of work of the previous week. That's for how long we needed to make that 5 grand. As soon as I got into my trade, the whole thing just collapsed. And it collapsed with a bunch of liquidity on board, right? Getting out of this thing.
Order filled.
I'm shorting the markets here. 2 contracts, not that much, of course. 2 contracts
Order
on
filled.
Tap 1 future side as well. Still bearish, indeed. Today was not a good day. Sorry, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Let's double up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's double up and go for that nice 693. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, a lot of the stories out there on the social media. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Thank you. Make sure to like the video, guys. Everyone, like the video. Especially if you want to be part of the giveaway, you gotta like the video. And you also gotta sign up. We got 6 Lucid test accounts challenges today. Oh, by the way, here are the links, maximum discount available for those of you interested.
Order filled.
Looks like the bulls have stepped in for the temporal reactions here. Bulls stepped into the business. And they're enjoying.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Time to DCA right above that one. And if it continues, just cut it away. But they simply stopped exactly at the levels that are marked as a reverse golden pocket. Oh my god, look at that. You just get this movements out of the nowhere. Give me a moment, guys. I'll back. Give me a moment. 1 minute.
Order filled.
Look at that one, guys. We touched the daily loss here as well. That's insane what's happening today. What's going on, guys? Stop loss. We're just hitting the losses back and forth. Oh my god. It's a terrible day today. You know, it's a total mess, guys. You know, let me look at that. I'll be back in 3 minutes, guys. I'll put this one over here. Right, so I'll be back. I'll be back in 3 minutes, guys. Let me just take some fresh air. We needed to do today around 80 or 100 bucks on my Lucid account for a $9,000 payout. And the whole thing just crashed into a $9,000 loss. I'm back in a few minutes. Into a 5 grand loss. You know, we're gonna fight back, of course. And we're gonna make it back. But that's just silly. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let me connect my test accounts and see if we can do something like a challenge or anything like that, right? Let's see what we can do. Lucid test accounts. And some ignite and tap on futures. Welcome back. Welcome everyone. Great to see you on board, guys. Look at this. Incredible. Join the giveaway, guys. Yeah. Look at that candle, guys. Let's see if we can pass some challenges. We have 6 accounts, Lucid test accounts. $45 points just like that.
Order filled.
Hit the like, let's get the numbers ready. Watch this one totally dying around. Incredible.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Come on. Don't you dare not completing a couple of points. Double bottom rejection here. 712. Decent target. 7-9 for me is sufficient. Yes, I'm a lucky person. If you're making money once, you're a lucky person. If you're taking out $70,000 in payouts in 2 months from prop firms, from 2 prop firms, you're no longer a lucky person. Let's go. A lot of trading. October, September as well. I was trading around the 900s. And it was a total collapse today earlier. Break even on the stop loss. Come on. Indeed. Let's go. If this is the way the whole thing looks pre-market, then you have to forget about trading today on Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Look at that. Market's not giving it. Market's not giving it today. Our 5-minute actually wants to go lower.
Order filled.
Finalizing that collapse.
Order
on
filled.
the 5-minute. Come on. Bring it down. 6 accounts. 6 test accounts. Bringing down in my target $3,000. I'm also shorting this thing here.
Order filled.
5-minute is not looking bullish, guys. Unless they want to protect this level blindly. But obviously, market's seeking to continue its rally. It's reversed rally. You know, a day like this on the long run, it's totally not an issue. We all know that. We have seen that for the past months. And you guys know that from your own experience as well. Days like this do exist. The real slaughter is on the crypto world. Some of my holdings are down more than 50% from the spot. That's the real slaughter.
Order filled.
I'm cutting
Order
this one
filled.
for the moment, except that I'm a small loss. And I'll have to cut this one as well. If it's not sinking from here, I'm gonna cut it.
Order filled.
Gotta cut this away. This is unstoppable, guys. The whole thing that's happening today is pretty much unstoppable. I'm totally on the other side. I don't think I had a day like this for the past 6 months of streaming, where everything I trade
Order
is in the
filled.
opposite direction. 1,200 daily loss touched. We have not grabbed the double bottom held. We have not grabbed liquidity below. Double bottom held, reacted, delivered. Opening Quant Tower. Yeah. Daily loss limit touched. Have not experienced anything like this in the last 6 months of day-by-day streaming. It's good it happens on live and you can see this and learn from it. Right, so normally in a day like this, you stop trading and that's it. You stop trading and you call it a day. Yeah, the live account is on Tradeovate. It got hit today. I don't want to trade more the live account today on this market where my screening is exactly in the opposite way that it happens and the whole thing is just a different language. I can't deal with this language. With this price section. There you go. Beautiful price action. Indeed, stays fully irrational. Thank you guys, appreciate your great words and wish you obviously the same. It's not possible to have 10 accounts, 20 accounts, and not have a green target touched. I don't believe that, guys. Right? So looking at what I've... the good part is today, we haven't lost accounts. We just touched daily losses. We only lost 2 accounts actually on Lucid. that were not the ones that were close to the payout. The other two on 150 Lucid Direct, those are the only lost. All the other got the daily loss touched. Daily loss limit.
Order filled.
Will it continue to follow through that barcode pattern here? That would be pretty interesting. You know, today the opening is gonna be a killer. I don't know how do you guys expect trading on the opening, but with this volatility on pre-markets, today it's just gonna be a nightmare. No issues with top one. No, it was not something with design. I was part of a real estate business that is owned by my family. And I was doing my part there. There's no reversal for the moment. $35 just sitting around the corner. Now I'm doing this full time. So I'm a full-time trader. I'm doing this full-time. But the bread and butter is the swing trading I do from cryptos since 2014. So I bought Bitcoin when it was around $400 in 2014. Sold some real estate and bought a lot of Bitcoins at that time. Sold a bunch of it during the time of increases.
Order filled.
Stop loss touched. $1,000 is our stop loss. Incredible, guys. This is impressive performance. I'm gonna chill. When there is a daily loss limit that I have set, it's not really bothering me that much, unless we have 5 daily loss limit touches back to back, which is the current case. Absolutely spectacular, guys. 4th of November, mark the date. You're not gonna see anything like that within the next 6 months. It took me 6 months to be here. I have a day like this, so keep that in mind. 10 minutes to when the market opens. Oh, happy birthday, Zill. You're a great community member. I wish you the best, buddy. Happy birthday right there. Let's call it out, guys. Our Zill, great community member. Enjoy, buddy. Enjoy your day. Congratulations for sure. Hey, come on. You're having a great time. It's a special day, especially on my trading, right? Kind of goes back to back, so we have an outstanding performance to celebrate Zill today. Daily stop losses back to back. Great one, guys. Come on, happy birthday, Zill. There you go. Payout rules for Lucid, 6% target. 6% target and then 3% target. Lucid payout rules are incredible. Functional. Let me share with you for the Lucid direct account. Today I was extremely close to my first payout on the 150k 3 accounts. I would have cashed out $3,000 on each, $9,000 totally. I was so close to the whole thing. And then the second cycle target for 150k is only $4,500, which is actually 3%. To have a 3% target and receive $3,000 as a payout is incredible, well, guys. So the 150k Lucid direct accounts are top notch. This second cycle and the upcoming ones with $4,500 target, it's 3% on the 150k. Outstanding. Outstanding. That's the link for the Lucid. Coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. Lucid, Tap 1 Futures, Ticktick Trader, and Savius. I never had a day like this. So I don't know, Zill, that might be the reason. We're joking, buddy. We're joking. Discord. Everyone, you gotta join to Discord if you want to be part of the giveaway. You gotta join to Discord. That's where we're building our nice community. Oh, you were looking at the Quant Tower screen and I was talking about Lucid. Look at this one, guys. This is what I've been sharing with you. So the second cycle is 4,500. That's insane to me. 4,500 is 3%. You hit 3% target and you take $3,000 out. And your daily loss limit is also huge. Your max loss is huge as well. Consistency 20%. Convenient, right? But that is the most attractive part. Surprisingly good. I don't think how this is possible to exist, guys. 3% on the second target is something that I can't believe. For Lucid. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and staying with me. Do we get a double top here? Testing out a little short. 3 contracts. Four contracts short. And we just put the break even in case the market reverses. You see what's happening today. It's just madness and craziness. Finally, we might have our first target touch today. Finally, 1,500 on Savius. Finally. Yeah. Extremely solid, guys. Lucid. Watch that price section. The break-even has been hit, guys. Watch that crazy price section. Oh my god. No, the funded after challenges is a little bit different because you have a little buffer there that you gotta do. Let me share with you what's happening with Lucid Pro. But I actually made a video speaking about the payout rules and the way you get to the payouts. Let me share with you the video. And you can see the whole thing in the video. You know, in the meantime, I can share with you exactly what's happening. So on the Lucid test, if you pass your test, you become Lucid Pro. On your Lucid Pro, you gotta first earn a buffer, and above the buffer, you cash out. So whatever money you make above, you take it out. Limits are the same, $3,000 on the 150K. Right, so you have to make 3,000 on top of the buffer. The buffer is 154,600. So to take 3,000 out, you have to make 157,600. 157,600, you take $3,000 out. Your payout is also going to increase as soon as you have more and more payouts. And you know, it's you know, very comfortable because you only need to do 5 separate days of minimum profit, $200 per day. Obviously, for you to make that 7,600, you want to make more than $200 a day. There is also 35% consistency on Lucid Pro accounts, which are the funded ones from challenges. 35% compared to 20%. That's almost double. Testing out another short here, guys. No, in case they finally want to take it down as it should be. There you go. Stop loss break even. Come on. Stop loss break even. And the break even has been touched. Can you see this, guys? What's happening here? And look at that, guys. What was that dip? 25.75. And we had our limit order on 25.5. One single tick for 1,500. What's happening today, guys? And it pushed all the way back to my break even. Look at that. One single tick. 25.75 is the wick, and my limit order of exit is in 25.5. Like, there's nothing I can do today. Massimiliano, good job, buddy. Good job, congratulations. I'm happy for my contribution and our great community contribution as well, so really happy about that one. Congratulations, buddy. Good job. Good job. Obviously, they're watching us. And let me just ring the bell, guys. Actually, the market's opened 15 seconds ago. Yep. Yes. Savius requires you the same every cycle. Yes. Savius actually requires you the same every cycle. I think this one is let's test a little short here, guys. Putting the stop loss above. Come on. Stop loss on break even. Come on. I'm gonna secure the profit here, $600. It's just madness, guys. It's just madness. Let me secure my first $600 for today. Because I'm already pissed off. Correct. 7,500 every cycle. That's how Savius 150k is located. Yeah, looks like it's going lower and it would have touched my entire target, but you saw what happened. We have left the trades actively open today and they all went into the wrong side. You know, it's probably going to break below it, extremely likely. We're gonna short this a little bit for market continuation. I'm out for the moment. We made 250 bucks. Slowly and steadily. Obviously, it's going for the gap. 550s. We're going for the gap, guys. 550s. Gold is going to attack 3,900 as well. Testing out a short for a market continuation down. Gotta set the stop loss there. Or I would be break even with the account. Looks like we're not sliding further. We have a temporary reaction. And then boom, look at that. Boom. Dropping all the way back to the same levels. And probably this is continuing to my necessary targets. Look at that one, guys. It just did 30 points. Should have celebrated that 600 bucks with nice fireworks. Getting back into my short. We had a beautiful rejection on that candle. Putting the stop loss right at the top of it. Come on. And it's ripping. We got saved. The stop loss has not been touched. But it's going to be touched probably. They just brought it back, guys. So they totally denied earlier, and now they brought it back without creating a lower low on top of that. So it's running. Look at this. This is what we're talking about today. The 60 points in this candlestick after the previous one has been done like that. Wow. No opening bell. It's just a bell for me to wake up, guys. Alright, so we're not going to trade anymore today. This is BS. Makes no sense to touch daily losses back and forth. Right. For those of you that are fresh, make sure to join our Discord, guys. Discord and giveaway. Let me see how many people have joined the giveaway. It's coming all the way back. Look at that. All the way back. Untradeable. Look at a 5-minute candle we have here. What a wick all the way to 725. You did 60 points. BTC just dumping. They just dumped below $103,000. Might get a reaction from 103. Or this is going to get all the way down to 100s. Yes, I've seen decreases of my holdings for cryptocurrencies, altcoins during bear markets that crossed 90%. So I had in an altcoin an investment that was around $100,000, which was representing at the end of the bear market less than $10,000. $90,000, more than $90,000 disappeared. And that crypto during the bull market went back and it actually went above. Right? So more than 90% retracement, it went back to the same price. and it went higher. I didn't sold, and we made more than 100 grand on that. But this is something that I have been through during the years since 2014. So it's not an issue. I get my daily losses touched here. It's just that I'm refusing to believe this price action is legal. This is not legal, guys. I'm sorry. 167 joined the giveaway. Look at this. If this is not bullish and seeking for a continuation above 760s, you can call me crazy. If you take this down from here, obviously you're in a high level manipulation, but otherwise, at this point, you actually want to go above 800s with this price action. BTC also is having a beautiful reaction. Once it hit below 3,000, it's pumping right now. And look at the Nasdaq, guys. What the hell is going on, guys? Oh my god. You can't believe this. Look at it. Profi Loki. Loki Trading, he said, I'm short since 760s. We're back to 760s. Aiming for the gap fill. Just one contract, nothing crazy. We're back to 160s. Think about that. Like today, no price action proper trading works. It's just gambling. Today, it's just gambling. Look at this. BTC is up $1,000 in 5 minutes. Russell 2000s, everything is S&P. Open it with a pretty significant gap. Look at that one, guys. I don't like that. 850s down to 766. Ho ho ho. You know, for the first time, we have not been above. We have not been above daily VWAP today at all. We have not been above. The only time we tested it was here, guys. Around 1 AM UTC time. But we have not been above the daily VWAP today at all. And then we have started to form a massive gap between the price action and the daily VWAP. But now, it's located around 780s, and probably for the first time today, they'll take the price action above the daily volume weighted average price. It's total madness. It would be a massive manipulation not to fill up the gap, considering how the entire price action was running today. Right, so based on the price action and the technicals on the short term, it's bearish. Based on the reaction we had here, with the markets delivering on a double bottom for the golden pocket, we just grabbed the low with the opening. So we took all that trailings and stop losses from there, and then the reaction that came afterwards is opening the doors to start speaking about bullishness. Sure. We'll take a break. We'll get back stronger tomorrow, and we continue our journey. I mean, look at this account, guys. Let me show you something. No trading in November, October, September, but look at this, guys. Look at this. And you tell me, what do you see here? Tap on futures. You tell me what you see here. I'm gonna sit back and allow you to tell me what you see there. Good. And it's not just $3 days. We have days where we made the 1,200. All right, and then we go back one more month. So there is no loss. How many profitable days we have? There is no loss. With this account, it's $18,000 drawdown. With this account, we were basically taking $40,000 in payouts. 40 grand in payouts from those accounts. We got rejected by the daily volume at average price. So for those of you that haven't watched my last video speaking about Lucid, payout rules. I just pasted the link, guys, for you. Bitcoin not joking. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that, buddy. It's a really rough day. My best recommendation for you guys is to stay away from trading today. That's my best recommendation. That's the best thing I can tell you. Stay away from trading today. You can clearly see what happened with my accounts. We don't have Badger with us today, so we don't do the wheel. When Badger is not here, we don't do the wheel. He actually takes care about the software, which is scrapping, and it's organizing the wheel game with the numbers. So we put you all on the dock race, and we take the best guys and we go second round, and that's how we're gonna be. The giveaway starts in a few minutes. Everyone, get your sign up ready. Get your sign up ready, guys. The best thing you can do today for your trading is to stay away. Even if you're making in a good trade $10,000, you know that it can be pretty much banished away in the very next trade. Now, we hit the daily losses. We only lost 2 accounts today. It's not a big deal, but we hit the daily losses. It was a day that actually hit daily losses on like 6-7 trading sessions today. 6-7 accounts that were copy traded. We hit daily losses back to back. Like, this is insane. That's why we have daily losses, to protect us from the max losses and from blowing accounts, but it's still not really enjoyable, right? Yet sometimes the surprise was that nothing worked today. Nothing. Look at it. I have $138 in this account. I'm gonna short the markets here with 138 bucks. Stop loss on break even. 130 bucks.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss once again on break even. 130 bucks in the account.
Order filled.
We touched the break even. Look at this wild. Ho ho ho. My God. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We just broke above the 800. I mean, we're about to do it. But this is crazy. Let me share with you guys the 1 hour. 1 hour is strongly bullish right here this way. And we're bullish from a situation that was so bearish before the New York session. Is incredible. And we had that gap right below us. No one cared about it. Look at this. I mean, you can still do this, right? You can still do that. A movement all the way into 950s. 26,000. 950, 26,000. And then come back to fill up the gap. $545. 818, guys. Look at that. This is what happens when you're messing with the markets. How are you supposed to trade this? There's no way. In a rational way, there's no way to trade this. No, we're far away from the gap. Hundreds of points. Hundreds of points from the 4-hour gap. But with this reaction here, tremendous. The last 20 minutes added 160 points. You know, I'd like to see some bullishness because of the crypto stuff. But you see, things are pretty radical. Look at the Russell 2000s. Let me see into a higher time frame what's happening with the Russell 2000s. You know, it sits around a support level. We broke the all-time high with the Russell 2000s. Right here. This is really representative for the altcoins. We broke the all-time high. And then just totally dumped. That's manipulation at the highest order. Now you have a trending line from there. Once you cross this, you go all-time high again. That's exactly how we did it in the past. We broke the all-time high there, and then we just dumped. We did the same thing here. Russell 2000s is representative basically for medium cap, small cap, and the altcoin sector in the crypto space, right? So you'd like to see a rally from the Russell 2000s, from 540s on the Nasdaq, guys. It's madness, right? Look at that. We came all the way up to 200 EMA. How are you supposed to trade this? How are you supposed, guys? 850s, look at that one. This is going back to all-time high. Nah. The best thing you can do is just keep yourself away from this nightmare. It was a nightmare today. But we gotta go through this. Once again, guys, for you, Scramble coupon code gives you the best discount. Ticktick Trader, Tap on Futures, Lucid Trading, Savius. You can also use this coupon code on Legends Trading if you're part of that, or Funded Next, right? Look at that. 860s. How do you deal with this? If you're green on the day, sit down and enjoy your moment. Untradeable, 200 points since the opening. No retracement. And the majority of the guys were bearish. If I would have done a pull before the New York session, you guys would have been 70% that were going and were filling up the gap. We're breaking below this whole thing at the New York session, and we're filling up the gap on 543. 70% of you would have been like that. I'm 100% sure. Alright guys, so we're gonna start the giveaways. Everyone, you gotta listen. You gotta listen. You gotta listen for the way it's going to be today. We don't have Badger with us. We don't have Badger with us today, which means we're not doing the wheel game. We're only doing the dock race, and we're going to do it in the following way. Take your names from the form you guys have filled up, right? So from your participation, I'll take your names. And everyone is going to be part of the dock race, everyone. Then I'll take the top 3 winners, and you go round number 2. Best one, the one that wins round number 2, is going to be the winner. And that's the way it's going to be today, guys, with all the giveaways we do. So, before we get started, like the video. At this point, guys, you had an hour and 30 minutes to sign up for the giveaway. Right? An hour and 30 minutes to sign up for the giveaway. We have 191 people sign up. Be subscribed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 190 people have signed up. This is the entire list. We just exported the list. 190 people. You guys are going to compete for 30 seconds. This is going to be a total crazy competition out there. The top 3 will qualify for the second round, and the best one in the second round, rank number 1, is going to win. We don't do the wheel today with the numbers because Badger is not with us, and he's usually responsible for the wheel game. Exactly. So, like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Let me share with you our Discord link as well. You got to join the Discord, guys. Best of luck, everyone. The first giveaway. Listen up, guys. $50,000 Lucid Direct account. That's the first giveaway. You know which one is that? Lucid Direct. $294. This is what you're getting. It's an instant funding account. $294. Lucid Direct. That's what you're getting, guys. Instant funded. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on. This is not a challenge. This is a Lucid Direct. First 3 will go to the second round. So top 3. Come on. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? We got a couple of you pumping right now, but you're going to get stopped out. Look at that. There you have it. Is certainly on the list. There you go. Look at the top 3 guys. Mike's Gold, Dale Day Trader, and Mamu Jihu. We got you right here. Congratulations, buddy. So we got it for the first one. Mike's Gold. And the third one, Mamu Jihu. Let's go. You guys are moved right there for the grand final of this $50,000 Lucid Direct account. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, volume breaking. What about right now? Now it's supposed to work, guys. Now it's supposed to work. Is it working? Can you hear me? Still no audio. Yes, now. Good. Beautiful. Congratulations, Mikes. You got this, Mikes. Beautiful. Congratulations, guys. So, this was the first giveaway. We've shared 50,000 Lucid Direct account. Good job. Winner, you got to reach out to me on Discord. We're going to the second giveaway. Again, for those of you that are fresh, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Second giveaway is going to be 25K Tap 1 Futures Ignite. Instant funded. And we will share not just a single account, we're going to share 2 accounts of this 25K. Right? So we're going to share 2 accounts. Which means we're going to take the first 5 winners of the first duck race, let those guys compete, and then the first 2 in the second round, each will receive a 25K. right? So like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, everyone. We got you with that. The first 5 will be selected from the list, the same 190. If you join in the list after we started the giveaways, unfortunately, that's not going to be good. We're going to shuffle this one more time and you're good to go. So the first 5 will qualify the second round. Come on. First 5 in the second round. 2 accounts. Instead of doing 2 giveaways, dropping a single account in each, we're doing like 2 giveaways in a single giveaway, right? Sharing 2 accounts. Come on, guys. 5 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? The first 5 will qualify. Come on. Look at that. Genius. For sure you got it. But then you guys want to see the first 5 right there? That's the ranking. That's the ranking for the first 5. Genius. Purple. Ninja facts. Let me just take you. Mayo, let's go. With a unicorn. Davries. The old, new one. We got you. Come on, guys. The first 5 qualifying for the second round and the final round for the second giveaway, including the third, because we're running them together. There's going to be one more giveaway after this. One more. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. This is, you know, the first 2 will win, guys. Each will get a 25k Top 1 Futures Ignite accounts that are instant funded. Come on, guys. Let's go. The first 2 will receive. Who's gonna make it? We got unicorns stepping up. And then who's the next, guys? Who's the next? Oh, there you go. That was pretty close between the second and the third. Look at that one, guys. Pretty close. Look at that one. Just a little bit there. Just a little bit there for genius. However, we got these 2 boys out here winning each 25k Top 1 Futures. You missed by a single tick. There you go. Congratulations, congratulations. Unicorn, are you here, Unicorn? I can't see you here. We cannot tag you. We cannot tag you. You might not be here. However, we gotta move on to the third giveaway, which is, and this is the last one. It's actually the 4th giveaway. Audio. What's happening? What about right now? I don't know what's wrong with this. Should be better. Fourth giveaway, $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick trader, guys. Is gone again. Oh my god. Should be fine right now. Good. So, fourth giveaway, 50k straight to funded plus Ticktick trader. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. That's what you gotta do. Great. The first three qualify the second round. Let's go. We're gonna make the race a minute in the second round. So only the first three will qualify. And then the best one wins $50,000. Straight to funded plus. Come on, guys. Look at that one. Luigi is speeding up. And then who's next? We got you. Luigi, hello. And we got you right there. Congratulations. Oh my god. No audio again. There's something going on. Congratulations out there. No audio, right? Alright. We're gonna fix the audio. Fix the audio, guys. Thank you so much for being with me here today. Yeah, there's something going on with the audio. I'll have to verify. I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to verify there's something happening with the audio. Maybe you can hear me right now. Okay. I think it's working right now, so it was definitely not the best day, but we had a great time on the giveaways. Really good time, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Have an amazing day out there. I love you all, guys. We had a good time in the past couple of days without such losses, but today we had a bunch of daily losses hit. So it's good to have this daily losses. Avoiding the max losses. That's the purpose, guys. Thank you once again. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Join our Discord. Have a lovely time. Peace, careful. You see what's happening in the markets. It's absolutely nuts. Appreciate you guys.